Shamaley Ford is here to help you learn about the available engine of the 2023 Ford Edge, as well as its horsepower, 0 to 60 time, and top speed. This delightful SUV's available engine includes a 2-liter turbo EcoBoost 4-cylinder engine or a 2.7-liter turbo EcoBoost V-6 engine. Its horsepower is between 250 to 335 HP, depending on trim level. The 0 to 60 time of the 2023 Edge ranges from 6.1 to 7.6 seconds. And finally, the top speed is 130 miles per hour for the 2023 model year. To learn more about the top speed, 0 to 60 time, horsepower, and available engine of the 2023 Ford Edge in El Paso, visit us online or in person at Shamaley Ford. Like and subscribe for more helpful videos like this. We look forward to serving you.